Welcome to your guide on removing markers from Google Maps. Let's dive in. Markers can clutter your map, making navigation tricky. Knowing how to manage them is essential. First, open Google Maps on your device. This works on both desktop and mobile. Now, tap on the marker you want to remove. A menu will pop up with options. Select Remove from the menu. Confirm your choice, and the marker will disappear. And that's it. Your map is now clear for better navigation. For bulk removals, check the Your Places option in the menu for quick access. Remember, you can always add markers back if needed. It's all about flexibility. Keep your maps tidy by routinely checking for unnecessary markers. Explore different functionalities of Google Maps to enhance your navigation experience. Now you're ready to make the most of your Google Maps experience. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick guides.